Drones have revolutionized the way we capture aerial footage and photographs. They offer a unique perspective and can be used for a variety of purposes, including filmmaking and search and rescue operations. These drones are not only packed with features, but also offer exceptional performance, durability, and most importantly, they will take your visual storytelling to the next level. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 best camera drones of 2023. Let's take a look at them. Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio. Experience the thrill of flying with the DJI Avata, which is not just a drone, it's an adventure waiting to happen. The lightweight and compact design makes it the perfect companion for exploring the world from a new perspective. Imagine soaring between gaps in trees, maneuvering through branches, and capturing stunning footage of your journey. The built-in propeller guard allows for minor contact, so you can take risks and push the limits without fear of crashing. And with the Avata's upgraded 1 and 1.7-inch sensor, you can capture stunning 4K footage. It even comes with a 155 degrees field of view and flagship stabilization technology that ensures your footage is ultra smooth and packed with detail. The HD live feed allows you to see what the drone sees in real time, and DJI O3 Plus video transmission technology can stream it to you at distances up to 10 kilometers. But the Avata's capabilities don't stop there. It's compatible with DJI goggles too, DJI FPV goggles V2, DJI FPV remote control 2, and DJI motion control, each unlocking new possibilities for how you can experience and capture your flight. And with an impressive 18-minute flight time from a single charge, you can spend more time exploring and less time waiting for a recharge. In short, the DJI Avata is a powerful and versatile drone that offers a thrilling flying experience and next-level imaging capabilities. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a serious upgrade for the Mini series, which packs the performance of a high-end drone into a compact and convenient package. With its 48-megapixel sensor, you'll be able to capture every detail in your shots, whether you're recording in 4K at 60 FPS or taking still photos. And with advanced camera features such as dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture, you can capture high-quality imagery no matter what the lighting conditions. But the DJI Mini 3 Pro is more than just a camera drone. Its redesigned body offers true vertical shooting, allowing you to take portrait shots perfect for social media. The Mini 3 Pro has a gimbal that rotates 90 degrees, so you don't have to compromise on image quality again. Plus, with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, you can fly with confidence knowing that your drone is always aware of its surroundings. And that's just the beginning. Also, this mini drone offers a range of intelligent features such as focus track, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, making it the ultimate tool for capturing and sharing your adventures. And with a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can have plenty of time to explore and capture all the beauty around you. So don't wait, get your hands on the DJI Mini 3 Pro today and take your photography and videography to new heights. The Skydio 2 Plus is a game changer in the world of drones with its marvelous object tracking. It even comes with cutting-edge technology that takes the piloting experience to newer heights. The drone's always-on obstacle avoidance feature, powered by 6 4K navigation cameras, an NVIDIA TX2 GPU, and advanced AI algorithms, allows for an effortless hands-free experience. Imagine being able to capture stunning 4K HDR footage at 60 FPS without having to worry about processing color grading. The Skydio 2 Plus makes it possible with its perfectly tuned IMX577 sensor. Want to capture unique, impossible camera angles? The Skydio 2 Plus makes it a breeze by allowing you to select keyframes and have the drone autonomously fly a continuous, smooth path between them, all while you adjust the speed and control the camera manually. With a variety of skills to choose from, such as motion track, orbit, rocket, and droney, the Skydio 2 Plus opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. and with a range of 6 kilometers, a max speed of 36 miles per hour, and up to 27 minutes of flight time on a single charge, the Skydio 2 Plus is the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. The Autel EVO 2 Pro is a high-end drone that is designed for professional aerial photography and videography. It features a 1-inch sensor camera that is capable of capturing 6K video and 20 megapixel still images. The camera also has multiple color profiles, including log, which allows for greater control over the final image. Additionally, the drone is capable of capturing 10-bit HDR video at up to 4K quality, providing a high dynamic range and a wide color gamut. The EVO 2 Pro also supports both RAW and JPG image formats, allowing for greater flexibility in post-processing. The drone also has a large battery that provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended use without the need to constantly change batteries. Additionally, it has obstacle sensors and automated flight paths, which can help to make flying the drone easier and safer. The EVO 2 Pro drone has the capability to automatically return to its home location when the battery is low or communication is disrupted, such as during inclement weather. This drone also boasts a long-range transmission capability, allowing for video and control from up to 9 kilometers away. Overall, the Autel EVO 2 Pro is a powerful and feature-rich drone that is ideal for professional photographers and videographers looking for a versatile and high-performing platform. DJI may have a wide range of drones in its portfolio, but the Mavic 3 Cine symbolizes the beginning of a new era for DJI drones. With its dual camera system, hybrid zoom lenses, and built-in SSD, you'll be able to capture stunning footage like never before. The 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera has a 12.8 stop dynamic range, meaning you'll be able to capture 5.1K resolution footage with every detail in your shots, whether it's a bright sunset or a dark shadowy landscape. But the Mavic 3 Cine isn't just about the hardware. It also comes with a range of advanced features that will take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. For example, it supports Apple ProRes 422 HQ, Apple ProRes 422, Apple ProRes 422 LT, and H.264 and H.265 encoding, which means you'll be able to capture footage with more visual information for endless possibilities in post-processing. The Mavic 3 Cine also has a waypoint flight function that allows you to set flight routes so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot while the drone does all the flying for you. And with its O3 Plus transmission system, you can fly up to 15 kilometers away and stay in the air for up to 46 minutes, giving you plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking footage. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Cine is a drone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in aerial photography and videography. So that was all about the top 5 best camera drones of 2023 just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.